Oh, the bass there was like, oh, I love it. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take a look at Jisoo's new song. This is called Earthquake. Now I know she's the queen of the visuals, so I'm pretty sure we are going to get something that looks stunning. No doubt about that. But before I do press play on this, make sure to subscribe and like this video. And if you want to follow me on Insta, links are down below. And I'm gonna click play because, you know, I talk a lot. Jisoo with glasses? Yes, of Office Queen. Interesting phone case. Are we in trouble? Hi, sir. I know him. Is he an actor? Did he play in something? So we are taking a lie detector? Oh. Wow, the looks already. I really love the tie piece she has. Ooh. A car? Oh wow, this looks stunning. Ooh. Let's see the drop of this. Ooh. The ADM. Yes, please. Love the fact that this has English and Korean as well. Already, it's so catchy. I think this is gonna blow up on TikTok. The looks, come on. I'm sorry, but I cannot get over the phone case. That's stupid. But it looks good. Nice transition. About to blow, about to blow. Nice. The choreo? Wow. I really love this part. Really love the small details while the sound was traveling from left to right. Not me dancing. I mean, I sing a lot sometimes, but dancing, And interesting. Oh, the bass there was like, oh, I love it. She's so pretty. By the way, outfits. Okay, see? Already. This is TikTok. Wow. Dior. Okay, so this was just her imagining. Oh, again, why everything goes so on like it was so fast. Oh, so the mini album. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, actually, the mini album is out already. Uh, oh yeah. Tears, hugging kisses. Okay, I think you guys, the next video will be, well, I still have some Eurovision stuff coming this weekend just because we have another like 4 or 5 finals, so it's crazy, but I'm definitely gonna check out the album and I don't know, but I'm gonna do this for a video. So this was amazing. Wow, Jisoo, I really loved the choreo. Uh, again with her song, I forgot the name, but like like that song, she had like so like an iconic choreo, you know, so that went crazy on TikTok and everything. I think this will happen for this song again, just because it's so catchy and it's so easy to learn. Um, wow, the looks were amazing. The vocals, I don't even have to touch that. We already know that Baby Monster, come on, that Blackpink, it's up there. So I don't know, you guys, what else to say. I think she was great. I'm like, this made me excited to listen to the whole album. Um, I think we might see a love story album thingy. I'm not sure, but I think we are going to find out really, really soon. So thank you so much for watching this with me again, and I'm gonna see you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.